Like right now we're using something called Spark. It's an AI model. It's an AI agent model based off of Copilot, but it's a separate model that has been kind of built from the ground up. Making sure we have the right route. AI can't take my job yet, but it can take the junior engineers' jobs, which is, you know, snake eating its own tail at a certain point.
Hi. Hello. You want to go ahead?
How's it going?
Good. Mushroom? Yeah. Wow.
How'd you know?
Edible or not?
Edible.
Oh, can you test it first? And then
Yeah, we split it, get a knife.
yes.
Select energy.
So it's like literally, oh wow, that is very cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Who knows?
Yeah, he said.
We can find out.
It's so dark down there. You know what you're doing, or you just thinking? Yeah.
Hi.
How long is the long one? Okay, then I'll do the long one too, because you know I never come here.
Of course.
The odds are that they're coming here, you know. Yeah. So, what are the trail names that we are going to? So this one,
No, this is already Cozy Dell.
Cozy Dell.
Cozy Dell, we're gonna walk all the way to Highway 33.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
And then the group is going separating there.
Yeah, they are gonna turn back when they get to Foothill.
Oh, got it. Foothill is the road.
Foothill is a trail.
Oh, trail. Okay. And then who else is coming with you for the long one? If you think I can handle it, then I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have done 3 peaks in Santa Barbara.
Yes,
I'm sure you can do this one.
Yeah.
Compared to 3 peaks, this is super easy.
Okay. You know, I'm so glad I could catch you guys. I'm like, and I went to the wrong place. I was already running late. Then I went and trying to find the original spot, and I found it. Then I had to walk. Then I'm like, oh, I asked a couple of people there. Like one of them said, oh, they're 5 minutes. Another one said, you'd better run. They're like 10 minutes away.
Okay.
So then I got faster and faster. By the time I got to the top, I was soaked, which I hardly ever get sweaty. So I saw you have another Bishop Peak scheduled.
Yeah. On March 1st.
Oh, how come another Bishop Peak? I'm just curious. Why didn't you do?
Because I like the place.
Oh, you do. Yeah, that's kind of the rock and hopping, you know.
Yeah, I was so sick after that.
Are you guys going back this way?
Is this where the turn is already?
Mom and Dad.
Looks like that is Foothill.
Oh, okay.
Periodically drive out there, yeah.
Can I see the mushroom?
Huh?
Okay, so I have to remember, don't touch if I see anything like this, you know.
Yeah.
But we're coming back, there's no time to avoid. Or is it over there? It's over there, okay.
We were just like, this is...
Yeah, we were like, that looks like a footpath.
Is that the trail?
Looks like it, yeah.
There's a lot of mud over there, I see that. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna...
Not great, but...
I mean, it's just muddy. It's muddy. Oh yeah, that's the trail, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
That's not great.
Maybe we should go up that way.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's muddy, so.
See you guys next time.
Okay, you're not coming back this way? You're going on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Easy.
I thought you said you were gonna go around. Or you mean later?
But then we still, I don't really want to double, you know, double the same route.
Okay. So if anyone wants to go with Boo for the longer option, this is the time.
How much longer?
5 more miles.
I mean,
Okay.
Otherwise, anyone who wants a shorter option, we're going that way.
We're gonna do an easy route today.
thank you.
Only like 10, 12 miles.
not convinced.
Let me know you're alive at the end.
Of course.
Nice to meet you.
I'm a survivor.
Bye.
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 So we will come back this way though.
Yeah, yeah.
Out and back, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so we go up there. Oh, so eventually you do that too. Yeah. Okay. You've been here before? Yeah, careful. Yeah. There's one big one. Oh wow.
I think we're almost to this little ridge too.
Okay.
I think it goes over like this.
Oh, I thought we could see the lake. Oh, we saw the lake. What are those? What's the farm?
I don't know, maybe avocados? I don't know. How close could be Bork or City?
Yeah, isn't that the see that is making the sound too.
It's the video camera.
Oh, adjusting each time you
It's on and off.
okay. Is that GoPro?
So now it's on. Is there some kind of golden retriever mix?
Golden retriever. An English cream golden retriever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
She's friendly.
Hi.
Hi. Get a chance to walk around, but they have what, 80 acres of land?
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Hey.
You're gonna find out. That's good.
Look at the view.
Oh my God. Yes, we should look at it more often, huh? Gorgeous. Amazing. It all gets so hot during the summer.
Fresh too. Like it just fresh.
Yeah, because it rained on the last.
No, no, no.
It's nice to go hiking here with the geologist. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Very difficult.
I really like this one. It's all like lush and rocky, but not like too hot. Yeah, I guess I like this too. Yeah, this is like another view. Yeah, but I guess I do like the open.
Yeah.
Now, I definitely hike.
I'm motivated by the view.
Yeah, right? And then the sense of achievement.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I know that.
여기 아니야. 그 여기 뉴멕시코 있을 때 한국 친구들이랑 so you still young, so you can observe the language easily. If I want to see every day, I can observe it language. But when I was in undergrad, okay, I was in everyday lesson. Hopefully my daughter will be doing it too. She just has the baby with
Will you guys speak in Korean?
Yeah. She can speak Korean, it's amazing.
Julie, you speak Mongolian?
I?
No, Julie?
No, I'm Korean. Yeah. I don't know. Mandarin and everything. Oh, there's a small mushroom here. Oh.
You don't have to eat those.
Too small. Too much work to figure out.
Amazing, Rosie. Love it. Amazing. Thanks.
On top of the hill. Rose, you know going up to Magic Mountain? Okay. We do it some of the time.
Yeah, I can do it again.
Okay. Hey, look at the yellow flower on the hillside.
Okay, so we're gonna come up here, and then we're gonna take our right, and then we're gonna hit the main trail again, and there's the trailhead. So I mean, it's not super long, but it's also not just under 50 miles. Okay. 3 miles? Yeah, I would say it's less than 3 miles. Less than 3 miles. I mean, I'm trying to figure out what the. Well, let's see.
I'm good, thanks. I'm thirsty. Hey, look at the mountain top.
Yeah.
Up there.
It's 13.20. So that's only like
It's gonna rain.
a quarter mile. We might have like maybe a mile and a half.
Oh, really? Yeah.
That doesn't sound too bad, right?
Yeah. I don't want to be too optimistic.
I know. That's why I'm hesitant to like try to estimate it. I don't want to be totally wrong.
No, we're good.
Are you guys
top 5.
Are you guys talking about Magic Mountains?
No, they are not talking about Magic Mountain.
This home?
They are probably traumatized by now. You know, most people that hike with me get traumatized.
Always like new things. Oh, let's do that. Let's add another 5 miles. How do you do that? That's amazing.
Toshiko, you eat lots of turkey tail mushroom.
Yeah. Right, right. Go down, have it, and you can have it. still dying because they have so much injuries. Yeah. But at the same time, many of them are made tough.
Yeah.
They just keep going back to.
Yeah.
They don't give up.
Yeah.
That type of passion and motivation is different. Very hidden. Yeah, that's also the challenge when you go into the houses.
Oh, make sure.
Oh, I remember it now.
Oh, pipers.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Yeah,
I wonder.
I think you can make tequila from that. Hi.
I don't know, maybe it was older.
It looks to me like agave. Agave is the plant that they use to make tequila. Because basically they use the sugar. Hi. Yeah, I know.
But yeah, it was different. Yeah, when I see like big group, I know it's just low hike.
Yeah.
It's so hard to have everybody in a big group to be fast.
Yeah, unless the organizer is very, very selective.
Yeah.